I'm gonna show you what just delivered today. Look at this. Extra heat. Company niche. Oh yes. I've got my niche grinder today. Alright. Let's unbox it. Hello ladies and gentlemen and boys and girls. This is Shin and you're watching Coffee Shin TV. Yo, what a day. So excited. So I just got the black one. I wanted the black one because I wanted to set my coffee cart in black. Yeah, so I'm just gonna open it and then show you what it looks like. So here is my knife. I just cut on here. Yeah, I need to take this out. There you go. And another box is in here. The color of the sticker shows the color of the grinder. And I just open. And the very first thing on the top is the manual. And guarantee is behind. And I just take the grinder out. You can see, wow, how kind is it open this side. So I just put it like this and then open this side because here is a switch as you can see. And here's my niche, zero black. Beautiful, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are in here. I think this is going to be a tray. And this is the dosing cup. Wow, this is so shiny, nice. And here is a brush. And here is the main products. There you go. So I just take the plastic off. Who's your daddy? I'm yours. And here is the vinyl cover on the top. So I just take it off. Oh yes. The transparent plastic lid, beautiful. You can see here is the grinder dial. If you just turn this one here, then you can change the grinder dial. And burrs inside, this is the conical burr. And here's the switch on and off. Easy. Look at this. How nice is it? Very nice looking natural wood. Nice. It's a bit like reflective, but I love it because I can see my face in here, handsome looking face. Please say yes. Thank you. Anyway, here is a bolt. So this tray can fit on here. This stainless dosing cup can fit here. So if you go like this, that's the full setting of Niche Zero grinder. This one is cold and this cable is like, how can I say, vacuum cleaner. What I mean is when you are not using the grinder, you can put it like this, shorten the cable like this. So if you drag it out, then you can get the cable like this. And this is quite short. Actually, the Niche Zero is made as home appliance. So the cable don't need to be like really long. I think it looks 1 meter, yeah, 1 meter cable. And I have consent right there, so I just plug it in. And let's talk about spec of the niche grinder.
Width is 12.2 centimeters and length is 12.1 centimeters and height is 31.1 centimeters.
They're really small.
And the weight of the grinder is 4.1 kilograms.
It's heavier than a Realock. There you go. And the other quite amazing feature of the niche is if you open the lid, it automatically stops for safety. And when the switch is on, if you close the lid, then it starts automatically. So put the beans, switch on, you can close it, or just put some beans and close the lid and you can switch on. So whatever you want anyway is fine. And loose consistency is less than plus minus 0.2 grams. That's why it's called Niche Zero. It doesn't have any like retained grind inside the chamber for the burrs, and burrs are hardened steel. The burrs inside is the same as the Meijer Koni burrs. So even if this is the home appliance, the burrs inside is for the commercial environment. So the quality of the coffee ground is as good as the commercial grinders. That is it. So I'm just gonna bring this grinder to my bar, grind some coffee and see how it works and how it tastes like. And 6 months later, we'll be in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.